You like it there, Baba? Go! Come on, here. Yay! Yay! Gustong-gusto niya. Is it fun there, Baba? Nagustuhan niya. You have fun at swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday I liked that.
Yeah, and you're so tired too. Hi. You're eating eggs. Show your eggs, Baba. Holy, look at your eyes. Let's go sleep. Maghapon ka nag-swimming eh. Kuya's eating eggs. Pangalawa niya na yan. Hi, Saki.
Guys,
We're done swimming. Tapos lang namin mag-shower. Yes. Magpapahinga lang kami and then magre-ready kami for dinner tonight, right? We're having tea at the pub, right, Saki?
Yes. Not the pub.
Naputol yung kwintas ko tapos yung ano ni Holly nawala, yung pakaw, yung dalawa, wala nang pag-asang mahanap ko pa yung kasi kailangan kong sisirin yung swimming pool. Kaya wala na, ayan oh, wala na. No more earrings. Nandyan yung earrings, yung pakaw lang, yung lakban na wala na naman. Tingnan niyo, meron akong galit na pimple. Alright, just put it there. Galit na galit siya kasi meron ako ngayon, kaya ayan. Show your eyes. 4 hours. 4 hours swimming. No, Kuya, because we're having tea tonight. It's almost 5 o'clock, so yeah, just eat a little bit. No, you just had eggs. Just eat something. Not that one.
Just get a couple.
No, that's junk foods, Kuya. Right, we're having tea at the pub. Look at look at your eyes. You want some though? Say something to them. No one. Yeah, okay. Have some shapes. So yan guys, magpapahinga lang kaming konti. Ay! What are you doing under the couch? Come on, let's go. Okay, come on. Don't sleep there, Papa. Pagod na. Si Ann, tumawag. Pagtingin ko, ayan na si Holly, oh. Hindi na kinaya yung antok. Payog. Pagod na pagod siya, oh. News. It's alright. Ilipat ko muna si Holly sa bed. Para kang palaka dyan, Holly. Oh, wawa naman ang baby ni Mommy. Tulog na sila. Oh. Sobrang pagod. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-ride pa sila nung bike. Yung kanina na pinakita ko sa inyo. Nung naglalakad kami pa puntang park ba yun? Or paalis ng park. So siguro hindi na nila magagawa yun today. Kasi tulog na sila. Sobrang pagod si Holly. Pagod din. 4 hours ba naman nag-swimming? O yan. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung naputol kong kwintas. Tsaka yung pako na nawala. Ayan guys, yung kwintas. Sana pwede itong maayos. Naputol siya kanina. Nung nagsiswimming guys. Buti na lang nakita ko. Ayun o, naputol siya. Tapos ito yung hikaw ni Holly. Ayan. Dalawa na guys. Dalawa yung nawalang lock. Wala na. Hindi ko na yun masisisi. Hindi ko na yun talaga mahanap. Sana makahanap ako ng pampalit dyan na lock. Ayan. Wala. Pero super enjoy naman yung mga bata. Yun naman ang importante kahit na ito, maano pa naman to. masusolusyonan yan. Yun. Nagre-ready na ako kasi magdi-dinner kami sa labas. Nandito na si Jan tsaka si Joe. Siya raw nanalo, guys. Si Jan ang nanalo sa sa golf. Kaya sabi niya sa akin, wag daw ako magtabigan niya kasi nga, I think si Jan nakuha niya 80 points, yung isa 106. So, kayo nang bahala mag-calculate kung paano ang golf rules. So, basta yun daw nakuha niya. So, ayusin ko lang to. Alam niyo ba, ang eyebrows ko, yun ako nag-take na maraming oras. Kasi feeling ko, hindi ko siya mapantay-pantay. Kilay talaga is live. Mag-ayos lang muna ako, guys. Ayan, tapos na ako. Hindi ako nag-foundation, wala akong foundation. Ano lang, moisturizer, tsaka sunscreen. And eto, gamit ko yung lip tint na bigay sa akin ni Pawn Pal, si Lovely. At tsaka, eto rin yung sa cheeks na gamit ko. Bigay din to ni Love. And eto yung bigay ni Love nung pagpunta niya sa bahay. Napakita ko na rin sa inyo yung aking suot. Ayan. Ayan, pa-dinner. Itong suit ko sa dinner. Sa pub. Kasi manunod kami ng race. Kasi may race yung kabayo ni Dad. And also, ano pa ba yung sasabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko. May sasabihin ako pero nakalimutan ko na. Wala, nakalimutan ko. So yun. Eto. Di ba nawala yung di ba wala na akong kwintas na putol. Eto guys. Itong pimples ko. Yes! Ha? Okay. Gising na raw si Holly. Di ba nawala ni Holly yung niya, yung hikaw niya? Aalisin ko tong hikaw ko kasi ilalagay ko tong pakaw sa hikaw niya. Kasi baka magsara yung niya, magsara yung butas sa niya. Siya na lang ang gumamit ng pakaw. Kasi meron pa naman ako dun sa bahay, yung rubber na isa na black na lagi rin nawawala ni Holly. Pero at least ako, ko naman yun. Mababantayan ko naman yung napakaw na yun. Yes, na?
Holly's awake.
Holly's awake? Yeah. Okay. Come here, kuya. Yan. Gising na raw si Holly. So, yun guys. Nakabihis na yung mga bata. Si Holly okay na rin siya. So, yeah.
To break that, you have to pay for that.
What?
That coin.
Oh, they're ready to go in the
My
morning.
birthday din na. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready as well. Tonight.
Dad,
What?
what if you break and you have to pay for that? Like get a new one.
For what?
Holly!
The time.
Say hi, Baba!
Say that to Matt. Do you like the tornado?
The what?
Do you like the tornado? Dad, that tornado's new.
Yeah, the tornado was cool.
Actually, it's new. Someone lives there at the lure.
Bubsy!
Dad,
Bubsy!
Dad. the
Love
torn-
you!
Dad,
What?
the tornado's new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oi, that kid doesn't know you know how to have that on.
Oh, look at that one. Tomorrow you're gonna ride that one
You're not
tomorrow?
allowed to ride it on there.
You're alright.
It's only for bike.
That's a bike.
Yeah, look. It says it on there, look.
It says there.
Bike. TJ, because you're reading, mate, that's why.
Okay, well done, Kuya. You're right, Kuya.
Because I have seen one of them before.
Did you? Okay. Yung ko, yung pimples ko, galit na galit Patapos na yung ko, yung bisita ko. Pero lumabas siya yung parating siya, kaya yan. Isa, dalawa. Ito yung grabe. Can you talk to someone?
Scorecard.
Let me see. Ito guys, yung
Look.
golf.
Birdie, birdie, birdie.
Ng golf. Let me see. Which one is your on
Look,
top?
look at that, them two. 20 shots and 2 hours, can't believe it.
Ito guys, yung score sa golf. Kung marunong kayo mag-golf, ayan. Sa 89 for John and for his friend, 104. Dito sila nag-golf. What
Yeah,
lie?
kids trying.
Yeah, but we had enough yesterday, Kuya.
No, on the end we went on the train thing, like it was on.
Yeah, only because of that turn. It was cool, wasn't it, Zachy? The last one we went on.
The tube one?
Nah, the one that spin.
Which one?
Oh, this one.
Remember, Zach? The one
This
after
one?
the one after the aeroplane one.
Yeah.
Ah, the crazy one. The
Yeah.
crazy ride.
I'm going very high.
Pinag-uusap,
Till I was playing the red button.
Oh yeah.
pinag-uusapan nila yung ride kahapon.
Your high is telling me to stop pressing the buttons.
Holly, you're tired. You just woke up, Papa.
What's that?
Dog. That's
That's a
not dog. That's a
blue cow.
cow. Pag may nakita siyang animals, kahit ano, tinatawag niya dog. Kahit cow.
Right?
Diesel died fast. What? What did you say?
We're leaving tomorrow.
Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with a heart.
Yeah. Where is that? Oh, just around the corner. Oh.
Don't drink too much because
Dig it up.
you're having tea. You're not gonna take tea.
Maybe.
Right on, they bring some garlic bread. They bring
Look at Holly.
some, like,
Holly, you want
You
some
want some
garlic
garlic
bread,
bread,
Baba?
Hungry.
Hey.
Hey, Jane.
Hot. Hot, Baba. Blow. Hot. Blow, Baba. Blow. Blow it, Baba. Hot. Garlic bread. What? We have the pizza. Hot. Blow, blow, blow.
Hot, mate.
Just blow on it. Alright, good? Yes. Kuya, pizza. Hot.
That's a chicken parmigiana.
Jeez, I lied with the chips,
Yeah. that's
First time. Usually you get it, you know. Might have to do that.
Ito yung akin.
Oh, this is no.
Fish and chips with squid. It's hot?
Should be rice, take over.
Blow, blow, Baba, blow. Blow, Baba, blow.
Barley Rams, that one we went to.
Kami kumain ng dinner. Kaso dun sa restaurant na kinainan namin, wala silang ano yung para sa sports na ano. What do you call that, Bab? TV, yeah, for the sports. What do you... TIV? Ah, tab. Wala silang tab. Yung parang kung nandun yung mga sport, show na panunuorin namin na horse race, wala doon. So, dito kami sa kabila. Sa other pub para manood. Ayun yung tab. Dito meron. Ayan. Hi, did you put money? Ayan yung horse ni Dad. Yung purple. Number 3. Yeah!
He won.
On that one.
That one.
Nanalo yung horse ni Dad. That's warm!
Me who you see, 'cause I think I